Should we leave Tom here in the car? Or do you want to wake him up? Go on then, wake him up. Go and wake him up.
Tom!
Let's go in. Well, look at the camera and say Aberdulais. Go. Look at the camera and say Aberdulais. Oh, that's pretty good. Say again. Ken, say Aberdulais.
Tom found it, and my hiding just right there because I've been hiding.
Can I see it? Let's see it.
My foot found something down there.
You found it down there, did you?
No, Tom found it, and I found something down there. Everyone is a dudun.
Isn't it a goodie?
Oh, you just tipped it on my leg. Why are you laughing? What did you do?
What was that?
You tipped on my leg. Thanks, mate. Oh, nice.
Apple.
This is us here sitting on this table. We need to get here.
I'm not even in this video. This is the first time I'm in this.
What can you see? What's that? What's that?
Let's see. Whoa! Well done, Will. By here. Keep going.
See?
Oh yeah. Right. What is it, Will?
Somebody in the boat. I think with a boat.
What is it? What have we found?
Waterfall! Him home.
Oh, little ladybird.
Let's go down there.
Yeah.
Yes, put that him home.
This is home.
What is it, Tom? Got a pizza rock.
Pizza.